Hello and welcome back to the next session. So in this session, let us understand the data. So let us begin by knowing the shape of this data set. So here we are having 1,59,571 rows and 8 columns in our data set. So over here we used df.info. So let us run this command. So as you can see here we are having 1,59,571 entries and total 8 columns. And you may notice that all these values match with these values, and that means there are no null values present in our data frame. So let us say that there is a mismatch between these values and this value over here, that indicates there are something missing in the particular column. And at the same time you can see over here that the type of data is mentioned over here. So here we had our ID column as, which is nothing but a object type, and then we have comment type, which is of object type, and the remaining all other columns are integer values, that is either zeros or ones present in that particular column. And that's the reason why these columns are mentioned with int type. So this is what df.info does. It gives us the basic information about the data set, and to find if there are any other null values we can use another code which is called df.isNull. So this will display the total number of null values present in that particular column. So let us run this command. As you can see over here, currently there are 0 null values, and that means there are no null values present in our data set for now. And then what we have done is that we have taken a column toxic and we have used value underscore counts on it. So let us run this command. We can see that just a score, and it will display all the elements present in that particular column and give the count of those elements. So we have zeros and ones present in that particular column, and as you can see here, number of zeros are 1,44,277 and number of ones are 15,294 in that particular column. Similarly, we have checked for the remaining columns also, that is for severe toxic. So number of zeros are 1,57,976 and number of ones in that particular column are 1,595. Similarly, we will check with the other column. So in this also number of zeros 1,51,122 and number of ones in that particular column are 8,449. Similarly, we will move with the other cell. So in the column called thread, the number of zeros are 1,59,093 and number of ones are 478. So while moving forward with the other column, that is insult column, we are having number of zeros as 1,51,694 and number of ones as 7,877. So next we have identity head column. So in this column also we are having number of zeros as 1,58,166 and number of ones are 1,405.